Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some affordable household products that you probably didn't know existed, but you absolutely need in your home. These are going to help you keep your home cleaner, more organized, save space around your home, but also make your life so much easier. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Rakuten for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, laundry rooms can quickly get messy, so one way to keep it looking clean and tidy is to organize all of the essential products you need. I recently started using this really fun dispenser that just adds a little bit more of an enjoyable touch to your laundry routine. It's super easy to use, it holds an entire bottle of scent boosters, and it can be used for food as well. So if you have another purpose you'd like to use this for in your home, you can definitely do that. It would be perfect for baking supplies or anything in your pantry. It just makes it really fun. It can also even be installed to the wall with this sticky backing, but I like to keep it out on a shelf. You can use it super easily, get as much product as you want, and it even comes with a little cup. So this is a simple, affordable way to really bring some joy into your laundry room and make it look clean and tidy all at the same time. Now, if you have carpeting in your home and you also have pets, you may be dealing with a lot of hair buildup. Our cats love to sleep on the stairs here, and that means they're always covered in hair. No matter how much we vacuum, it doesn't get into all of those corners and remove the buildup of hair. The one thing I found that really works is this little carpet rake. I actually saw a cleaning team use this, and it removes so much hair, I had to get it. This pulls all of the hair that's really twisted up in your carpet and rakes it all out. It is seriously amazing. It's called Uproot Clean, and it gets into all of those corners of my stairs and gets all of that deep hair that's built up. So even if you vacuum, you will still find this much hair coming out of your carpet. This is gonna give you that deep clean that you probably need, and it just makes your carpet come back to life. You will be absolutely shocked by how much hair comes out of your carpet using this carpet rake. If you have a small shower like this and you're lacking organization and storage space, you could probably use these little suction razor holders. These are such a simple and affordable addition that you can add to your shower to make it feel organized, put together, and definitely cleaner. If you don't have a designated spot for these small things, they just end up on top of each other and sticking to surfaces. So this really helps clean everything up. They can drip dry from here, and it makes it so user-friendly. I also love hanging my hairbrush on here so it can drip dry and it doesn't get filled with water. These are totally removable and can be hung on your shower, your mirror, or any surface around your bathroom. Now here's something that's going to make life in the kitchen easier. If you lack hand strength, you can't open the jars in your home, and you've tried everything, you absolutely need this jar opener. This can be installed underneath a shelf or underneath your upper cabinets, and it makes opening a jar super simple. I have mine hidden away in my pantry so no one sees it, but it really does make my life easier. It can fit all different lid sizes because of that angular design, and it really helps me open jars effortlessly. I usually find a lot of these clever products online, so I'll have them all linked down below in the description box so you guys can find them easier. But if you're ever doing any kind of online shopping, I highly recommend using Rakuten. Rakuten is the largest cashback site, which partners with over 3,500 of the biggest brand names like Walmart, Nordstrom, Ulta Beauty, Levi's. They partner with so many retailers to offer you cashback, promo codes, and coupon codes all for free. Every quarter, members receive cash back in the form of a check or PayPal. So I have mine set up via PayPal. Every quarter, I receive money from doing my regular online shopping. It's so exciting. You just click through links on Rakuten and shop on the store's website like you normally would, or you can download the Rakuten app or use the browser extension. I like using the browser extension because everything's just automatically working for you. So as I'm doing my online shopping, you can see which stores partner with Rakuten and how much of a % of cashback you're gonna get on your purchase. I shop home products, clothing, pet products, and even travel. This week is actually Big Give Week, and it's the biggest cashback event of the year where you can get 15% cash back at over 600 of their partnered retailers. I'm so excited because a lot of my favorite retailers are participating in the Big Give Week. Benjamin Moore is participating, so if you have any paint projects coming up, any remodels, definitely shop your paint now so you can get that 15% back. And beauty companies like e.l.f. Cosmetics, IT Cosmetics, I shop a lot of their makeup products, so might as well stock up this week so I can get that cash back as well. So if you have any shopping to do, now is definitely the time to do it. Shop Rakuten's Big Give Week through May 16th to get up to 15% cash back at hundreds of your favorite retailers. Sign up using the link down below my description box and actually get a $40 sign up bonus when you make a qualifying $40 purchase. Now, I have a lot of white furniture and white pieces around my home. White sofas, white side chairs, even a white sink. And all of these things inevitably get stained and marked up. My cats sleep on the furniture, there's always dishes in the sink, so these kind of stains and markings will happen, but I'm not worried about it because I found some of the best products that remove the stains instantly. For any kind of fabric or carpet stain, Folex is incredible. I wish I knew about it sooner because this stuff works instantly. You spray it right onto the fabric and it removes chocolate, coffee, wine, any kind of crazy dark stain, it instantly removes. So all I use is a paper towel and kind of rub it off and it instantly disappears. I pretty much use this on my white sofa every week just to get rid of the markings and stains that my cats leave behind. That way the couch looks perfect and clean every single week. It's something super simple that you can add to your cleaning supply list, and this will make all of your furniture look brand new in seconds. So you can have white furniture and white fabrics around your home. All you need is some Folex. It really removes the stress of worrying about stains because you have the simple solution for it. Now, when it comes to hard surfaces around my home, like my kitchen sink and bathtubs, the one thing that has really worked well for me is the pink stuff. This is like a magic miracle paste that instantly gets rid of stains. I've scrubbed this sink multiple times with other products and the stains still stay, and this is the only thing that has made my sink look new again. This is also a non-toxic cleaning product. It doesn't smell like anything, so I feel safe and comfortable using it on all of my surfaces. It's super strong and it's really the only thing that's worked for me. So if you haven't tried the pink stuff, I highly recommend it. If you're looking to get some hard stains off of your surfaces, this should definitely work. Now, another kitchen must-have that's going to make life in your kitchen easier and keep your food staying fresh are these little silicone food covers. These are specifically made for those fruits and vegetables that you cut and you need to save the rest of. These fit right over top, and the silicone is super flexible, so it can really squeeze over top of your food and keep it super tight and fresh. I love using these and they work so well. They're something that you can wash over and over again and keep forever. So it definitely eliminates those one-time use products. So I love using these for my limes and onions. There's something that I have in my kitchen all the time in my fridge, and it really keeps everything clean and tidy. I'm someone that loves to have candles lit around my home, but I don't like lighting them. I'm not very good at using a lighter, they kind of scare me. So when I found this electric lighter, it changed everything. I love this little thing. It is completely chargeable and it can actually light up to 300 times in one charge. So this is so amazing. It feels a little bit safer to me. There's a power switch, it charges with the USB, and it's just something that you can have tucked away in your drawer to make lighting candles around your home so much easier. Now here's a little trick for keeping your bedding in place and looking perfect. I always have a duvet cover and a duvet on these beds so I can wash everything easier, but some of my sheets and my duvets don't have the hooks and ties to keep everything perfectly in place, so the duvet gets lost in the duvet cover. One solution I found to this is actually using these duvet donuts. These are such a simple solution to keeping those corners in place. It's a little two-part system that hold together the duvet and the cover, and you can't see them at all. One little pack comes with 4, and you actually install them on the inside of the duvet and the duvet cover. So I do this after washing my bedding, and you can install them before slipping over the cover, and that way all the corners will stay exactly where they should be, and your duvet won't be getting lost in the sheets. It just keeps your bed looking clean and tidy and always put together. My bath mat gets really dirty and wet and moves around all over the floor. I can barely even close the door with it, so it's a little bit bulky. And I found such a slim, streamlined solution that is so innovative. This is a quick dry bath mat, and it quickly wicks away any moisture in seconds. It's like magic. If you put something wet on it, it instantly starts drying, so it's not going to be something wet and slippery laying on your floor. I like that it comes with a little rug mat as well so that it's not slipping around, and it's so much slimmer, so I can open and close my door. It looks cleaner, and it's something that you can use in bathrooms, swimming pools, saunas, and it's going to keep your feet and your floors dry. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I love finding products for my home that really help improve my home and my lifestyle, so I love sharing these with you guys. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these products do you absolutely need to start using in your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!